Hey guys, welcome to my channel. So this is my sister Amber.
Hey guys.
And today we're going to be doing the whisper challenge. Now she also has a YouTube. Want to tell her what it's about?
Yes, it's youtube.com/Kearney's Journey. It's just basically my everyday life, you know, being a mom with 2 kids and being married. I just talk about certain topics and do things. So go ahead and make sure you hit that subscribe button.
Yep, link will be in the description box down below. Now like I said, we're going to do the whisper challenge. I don't think we either thought of like phrases or words we're going to say, so we're just going to be winging it from the get-go, and I'll also put like what we're saying on the screen. So she's going to guess first and put your like blast the music, as you guys know how this thing goes. I'll wait until she finishes and I'll think of something to say. Can you hear me?
Talk a little lower.
Okay. Can you hear me? That's it.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Okay. Wait, okay. I don't know why this is so funny. Okay. Holy Bible.
Wait, do it again.
Holy Bible.
Only Mambo.
Holy Bible.
Holy Bible. Yes.
Really?
Okay. Do you want to do like your 4 again?
Yeah. No,
okay.
we switch back forward.
Okay. You want to switch?
Yeah, give it to me. I guess I'll listen to this.
Okay.
One. Oh.
Do you like...
You say?
Let me finish.
Oh.
Do you like hamburgers or hot dogs?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay. Do you like...
You get it.
Do you like...
YouTube. I don't...
Do you like...
Do you like...
hamburgers or hot dogs?
One more time.
Hamburgers or hot dogs?
Amber Clyden.
Hamburgers or hot dogs?
Hot dogs? Something hot dogs?
Hamburgers or hot dogs?
Scented candles.
What did you say?
Do you like
Hamburgers or
Amber?
Hamburgers.
Ambers.
Hamburgers. Hamburgers.
Hamburgers.
Or
hot
dogs.
Hot dogs.
Scented candles.
So hard.
Scented candles. I was like, what?
That was so much. Midnight.
Besides.
Well, let me say the whole thing. Midnight in Paris.
Because I like goldfish.
Midnight in
Because. Do it again.
Midnight in Paris.
Big black.
Midnight in Paris.
Something about butter. Oh.
Midnight.
Big nuts.
Midnight.
Big sack. What are you saying? Business.
Mid.
Big.
Mid.
Big.
Mid.
Biz.
Mid.
Mid. The song went off. Midnight.
In.
Midnight dancing.
In.
Midnight English.
In Paris.
Midnight snack.
In Paris.
Hair bears.
In Paris.
What?
Midnight in Paris.
Midnight.
In.
Midnight.
In.
Eat.
In.
Eve.
In.
Eat. What is H? Midnight.
In.
In. Midnight in.
Paris.
Midnight in Paris. Okay. Do you need a ride to the store? Do you need a ride
need a ride
to the store?
to the store?
Cheat. You cheated.
I didn't cheat. I
didn't get that so fast.
cheat.
I must just enunciate it really well. Do you know?
Do you
Want
a
work out?
want
Work. Watch.
want
Do you watch?
want
Wash. Do you walk?
want
Want. Do you want
a
glass? Snack. Class. Do you want a? Do you want a
glass
slash class?
Okay.
Do you want a
glass of water?
glass of water? Okay.
How much is that? I think we do one more.
This year, one more each. Okay. Today was a very bad day.
Today was a very bad day.
So how did you get that? Let me do another one. Let me do another one. Okay, let me think. Okay. My favorite singer is Chris Brown.
I got that. My favorite thing
Oh my god. Okay.
is something hard.
Okay. The store was very crowded today. The store was very crowded today.
The song's very crowded today. I don't know.
Oh my gosh.
Google something to say.
All my life, I had to fight.
I know.
Oh my gosh, Ashlyn.
That's too generic. Try something random.
I get to do two more because it's not fair.
Okay, fine. And you can just do it back in it.
You ready? I like to smell pickles on my McDonald's burger.
Oh.
I like to smell pickles.
Use some pills.
To smell pickles.
Use my pills.
To smell pickles.
Juju Wells.
To smell pickles.
Use the bathroom.
To smell pickles.
Use my mouse.
To smell pickles.
Use my mouth.
To smell pickles.
I don't know.
To smell pickles.
Use my milk.
To smell pickles.
Use my meals.
I like to smell pickles.
To pop pills.
A little. To smell pickles.
To smoke.
To smell pickles. To smell
Pickles.
pickles.
Pills.
Pickles.
Pickles.
I like to smell.
I like to smell pickles
On a McDonald's.
on the lemonade.
On a McDonald's.
On McDonald's.
On a McDonald's.
On a McDonald's
Burger.
burger.
Yes, I like to smell.
I like to smell pickles on the
Okay. I ate my sister's waffles.
I like mustard and waffles.
I ate my sister's waffles.
I am my sister's widow.
I ate my sister's
I asked my sister for waffles.
I
asked my... Let me finish. I started.
I ate.
I asked.
I ate.
I am.
I ate.
I ate.
My sister's
Waffles.
Yeah.
I ate my sister's pills. What else you see? I'm gonna go like all the way.
I want
a
frappuccino.
God dang! That was a good one. Your hair.
You wear.
Your hair.
You hired.
Your hair.
You hired. Your hair is nappy. What?
Bruh.
You turned it down. Yeah. Your hair takes texture. tastes. Your hair tastes like strawberries. Your hair tastes like strawberries. Is that 2 more?
I would do one more.
Okay, because I got the Frappuccino pretty fast. What the heck is this?
Oh wait, I don't know. Oh, see, it's a good one.
Okay.
Can you hear?
It's fine.
Can I?
Tonight.
Can I? Can I?
At night.
Can.
Hair.
Can.
Takes.
Can. Can I sniff your donut hole?
No. What you said?
Can I?
Late night.
Nice. Can I?
Last night.
Can.
Let's
Can.
take.
Can.
Let's eat.
Can.
Let's dance. No, let's.
Can.
Hold on, I'm just trying to buy the song. Okay, go ahead.
Can.
Let's.
Can.
It's.
Can. Can I?
It cannot.
Can I?
Is it? First word. Snap.
Can.
Can. Okay.
I?
Can I
Oh, sure was it? Sniff.
sniff
Your
your
donut.
toenail?
Donut.
Soda.
Donut.
Doorknobs. Can I smell your
Donut.
donuts? No. Can I smell your
Donut.
dog?
Donut.
Donut holes. Oh, that was so fun.
Alright guys, so that was the whisper challenge, kind of like a fail if you will, because I guessed like 5 in a row. But thank you guys so much for watching. Again, her channel will be in the description box down below. Comment below so if you guys want to see any tags on her channel or whatever you want.
Or if you have any ideas for any other challenges, let us know as well, because
Yeah.
we are more than willing to record them.
Right. Thank you guys so much for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to this video, a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.
And scene.